In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and manage duplicate bills in Xero. Duplicate bills can slip in when the same supplier invoice is uploaded more than once, or when data entry happens across different team members. Cleaning these up helps keep your payables accurate and your cash flow reporting trustworthy. Let's walk through the exact process in Xero, step by step, and I'll point out what to look for along the way. First, log into Xero and head to your main dashboard. From there, click Purchases to access your payables area. This is where all your supplier bills live. Next, select Bills to open the full list of bills in your organization, including drafts, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. On the Bills page, look for the three-dot menu. It's a small options menu that reveals extra tools designed for housekeeping tasks, like duplicate checks. Click that three-dot menu, and then select Review Duplicate Bills. Xero will scan your bills and surface suggestions where it thinks there might be a match. You'll now see a list of potential duplicates. These are suggestions, not decisions, so take a moment to review them carefully. Start by comparing bill details and references. Look at the supplier name, the bill or invoice reference number, the dates, the totals, and tax amounts. Pay special attention to the reference field, as identical invoice numbers from the same supplier are a strong sign you're looking at a duplicate. When you need more context, open a bill to check additional information. Inside the bill, you can review line items, quantities, unit prices, and any attachments, like the original PDF invoice. Confirm whether one version has been updated with the correct coding or approvals, and check the status. For example, a draft duplicate versus one already awaiting payment. This deeper look helps you decide which version is the accurate record to keep. If you confirm a duplicate, delete or edit duplicate bills if needed. Typically, you'll keep the version that's most complete, correctly coded, and closest to the original source document, and remove the extra copy. If a bill has minor errors, consider editing it so the remaining record is accurate. Before deleting, make sure you're not removing the one linked to approvals or scheduled payments. When in doubt, retain the bill with the correct attachments and references. That's the process. By regularly reviewing duplicate bill suggestions and validating the details, you maintain clean vendor records and avoid accidental double payments. Thanks for watching, and keep your Xero bills tidy and reliable.